All right, gang, I don't know if you know how convenient it is to own a robot vacuum, but I have one. It's made by Eufy. It's their L60. It's one of those that has the self-cleaning station, so that as my robot vacuum cleans on a schedule, it goes back to this station and it removes all of the stuff that it has picked up off of our floors. And that's where these come in. The base station itself actually has vacuum bags built into it as it collects your dust, your particles, your grass. For us, it's a lot of grass because of our dogs. And so you need replacement vacuum bags. And we picked these up and we have absolutely fallen in love with them. We picked up their 14 pack of these and they are great. What we have here is they are one-to-one compatible with the Eufy brand ones. They got a nice little strong cardboard cutout where you slide it in and it's got this foam ring to make a nice good seal. And then this bag is a multi-layer filtration. It does allow air to come out of it, but it collects all the particles, all the dust, and keeps it inside. Each bag will last about 2 months, 30 days to 60 days, just depending on your use and how often your vacuum is running. But switching these out is a breeze. It's nice and easy. It's simple. It's got a nice little spot for you to grab, to pull, to slide the next one in, and you are good to go. Again, they come in a 14 pack. They come in a big multi-pack so that you've got plenty good to go whenever you happen to need them. If you've got a Eufy vacuum and you were looking for a good compatible vacuum bag to go in them, you want to check these out. I think you're going to love them.